Hey guys! On today's review, we're checking out Hostzy, a hosting platform that promises unlimited websites, high-speed servers, and a one-time payment instead of ongoing costs. If you're building websites and tired of expensive monthly hosting fees, you'll want to hear this. Let's start with the problem. Traditional hosting companies charge month after month, and often you end up paying hundreds, even thousands, every year just to keep your sites live. They lock you into recurring contracts and charge for features that should be basic. That can really hurt new businesses or marketers on a budget. Hostzy takes a different approach. For a single one-time payment, you can host unlimited domains with unlimited bandwidth. It uses cPanel hosting, which most of us know and love, and it includes free SSL security, automated backups, and strong DDoS protection. No more slow loading sites, no recurring charges, and no hidden fees. One of the best parts is how easy it is to get started. You log in, add your domain, and you're ready to go. They've even included a one-click installer for WordPress so you can have your site live in minutes, even if you're a complete beginner. This solution is ideal for bloggers, affiliate marketers, small businesses, and agencies who manage multiple sites and want to cut costs without compromising performance. With cloud-based servers, you get fast loading times and reliable uptime. And with the 30-day money-back guarantee, there's minimal risk trying it out yourself. If you're ready to switch to a more cost-effective hosting solution and simplify your online setup, check the link in the description to learn more about Hostzy. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more product reviews. Click the link below and check out the offer now.